drugs come in Goa easily, consumed by the locals. Locals are young boys and girls from the age group of 16 till 25, 30. They are falling victims for this. Something has to be done. We cannot allow Goa to be named as a brand what is happening in Punjab.
उड़ता पंजाब.
I am not saying Udta Punjab. We are going to be bad than Punjab if we do not take right decision, corrective measures.
तो वन मोर सर, और एक ऐसा ही आप ड्रेस के बारे में, उड़ता पंजाब कैसे फिल्म पंजाब का रिलेटेड है, ऐसा गोवा में एक वीकेंड बोलकर ये बॉलीवुड फिल्म आ रहा है.
See, बॉलीवुड फिल्म आने दो, कुछ भी आने दो, we have to talk what is reality. Reality is that drugs are available. Drugs are easily available to the college goers. Young boys and girls cannot fall prey to this, cannot be victims of drugs.
But your government
So
is there now, sir.
government has to take action.
So your
Government has to wage war against drugs.
Sir,
The war has to start. The police have to be active. Do not come under any pressure from anybody, whether it is politician or whether it is any influential person. You arrest all those people who are peddlers of drugs, who are selling drugs.
So yesterday
I am
also-
telling confidently today here that police know who are selling drugs. Why they are not taking action?
नायजेरियन खूप जण मेळटात. नायजेरियन चडशे ड्रग्स सप्लाय करता अशें जाल्ले त्यांच्या
So lot of Nigerians are also involved. Police are scared of them.
So yesterday also opposition
We have to
leader-
talk what is the fact. Police are scared of them. Police are not even looking whether their passport is valid, whether they have a passport, they have a document. What is there? They have nothing.
So yesterday
So some serious measures needs to be taken. Laws needs to be changed as far as drugs are concerned. If drugs have to be eradicated from Goa and India, I think law needs to be changed. And some strict measures have to come in. What is there in, you see what is there in Arab countries. Singapore, it is, people do not even dream about drugs. Forget about holding them. So, forget about buying them.